See? You feeding her? She's thirsty. Get your little beak in there. Yeah, she's so thirsty, baby. Do you see her drinking?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that precious? Oh, and she's sweet. She's very thirsty. Give her a little drink. You don't need to stick it up there too far. She'll go in when she's ready. Give her a little space. Back it up. No, she'll go in after it. There she goes. She'll drink it. Is she thirsty? Do you see her throat moving?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that great? She's drinking like crazy. Look. She's so thirsty. Her little throat. She was outside and she was hot. Back it up a little bit for her. Oh, there's a little feather on my finger. She says, "Hi, Ola." She says, "You're pretty sweet to give me some sugar water." Whoa, it's okay.